Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see Python program to calculate the sum of given numbers in a tuple using a for loop. So let's start. So first open Visual Studio Code Editor. In this program, we are going to use tuple. So first we have to declare a tuple. Suppose name of tuple is num is equal to. Now syntax for tuple is you have to use round brackets. So within round bracket you have to give the numbers. Suppose I am giving the numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Suppose these are numbers given in tuple. So we are going to do the addition. So we will need one variable sum. So we will initialize this sum with 0. And remember, like other languages like C, C++, we don't have to give data type here. So here we are not supposed to write as a int sum is equal to. So just you declare the sum and initialize it by using this value. It will automatically consider sum as an integer type of variable. And we'll give for loop here. So syntax for loop, you have to write the for keyword. We want to execute this for loop within tuple. That's why for I in, give the name of tuple as a num. After this, colon. Now see, it is taking automatically cursor within this for loop. So just type sum is equal to sum plus I. Again enter. Right now, whatever my cursor position is there, if here I write a print statement, it will be considered as this print statement is within this for loop, and for each and every iteration it will get typed. So I don't want this. I want addition at the last only after adding all the numbers. So no need to give here indentation. Just do the backspace so that it is coming out of the for loop. And now here we have completed the program. So save the program by using Ctrl S, give name to the program. And here at top right corner, option is there to run Python file. So just click on it, run Python file. So here it is giving output. Or you can write statement like this and give the name of the variable. Save the program. Click on run Python file option. It is giving output sum of given numbers in tuple is, and answer it will give. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.